Well guys, we're back here on the white table again. Are you right? Just focus, will you? So you know what that means? Wait a minute. You focused? I hate these lenses, seriously. Oh, not the lenses, just the focus system. But we're back here on the white table today because obviously we're going to be doing an unboxing. Up until now I've been doing all my creating on a 1080p monitor. Not really that great. So for 380 bucks, look what I picked up. Yes, that's right. Let's see how this thing looks. So this is my first look at it. 28-inch 4K LED by Kogan. Ooh, uh-oh. How exciting. Okie dokie. Oh. Just open it. Look at that energy rating. Like that means anything to me. Woo! I don't know about you, but I'm excited. Chuck this on there so we can have a look at it. And I'll take this inside and show you how it looks on 380 bucks. Obviously I can see why now. I'm guessing that just goes straight in here and clips in. Well, that swivels really nicely too. So as you can see, this is my current workspace. Just using a laptop and then just a normal HD monitor, and we're going to swap it out now. So that's my new workspace. I cannot wait to bump the res up and get some creating done. This is going to be fantastic. I'll be able to put the laptop in stealth, so it's up and out of the way and it's just doing the processing. And I'll probably just work off that as the secondary monitor and use the big one as the first. Ooh, golly, 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 golly. This is going to be great. Can't wait to get in there and do some. Catches. Okay, so the main attraction for going up to the 4K monitor was while I was running off the small HD monitor, the color transfer between obviously the small screen down here and a 4K monitor up here is like chalk and cheese, where now I can actually get my proper 4K looking colours out of the screen, so I'm not actually getting them wrong. You can follow what I mean.
Today I'm going to go inside, beautiful. Do it on the treadmill.
Not distorted or anything like that.
Boring, but
the colours are true, unlike how it used to be. So hopefully this will improve the quality of my videos going out and improve the quality of your viewing. So let's see how we go. I'll do one now. Just having a closer look at this monitor. Bit concerned about the contrast on it. I've had a little bit of a play with it, but it seems quite soft on the picture, and even when you do like your color correcting, you're still color correcting off a very soft picture. So anyone who would be using this monitor for graphics processing or video processing, I think you might struggle to actually get the clarity that you need. Like the screen, the blacks, they're not black, they're grey. Sharpness even turned right up with more contrast turned up. It's still quite soft, so it's something you might want to consider if this is the kind of monitor you want. You look for cheap gaming for a child's computer, look, maybe they might be suitable, but yeah, it's not really the best monitor for what I've purchased it for. So I'll have another play with it. I'll keep looking at the settings, but I don't really see this monitor being any good for what I do need to use it for. It's all the stats checked out, so I've bought it basically off the stats. There is no Kogan shop I could go in to look at, so yeah, let's see what we can do with it, and we'll decide from there. Okay, so like here's an example of the picture quality between two different monitors. The monitor obviously down the bottom is my laptop. If you take note of the sky in the laptop, it's quite blue, where in the top picture it's quite blown out. There is no whites. Even underneath the truck, if you're looking down there, it's not dark. The blacks aren't black. If you were processing this picture and looked at it that way, then the picture quality that you were trying to produce wouldn't be exactly what we are seeing on the screen. So you'd produce the picture, you'd print the picture, and it'd be completely different to what you're printing. So it's not really a great monitor in my opinion. So yeah. Look, I've looked at this refresh rate in movies. It doesn't seem too bad in movies, obviously colors and all that aside. Just for gamers, even with cheap purchases, it does boast a 1 millisecond refresh rate on here. I can still see quite a fair bit of ghosting just in the windows, so how good it would go on gaming, I wouldn't be very confident in its ability. Okay guys, as you can see, I've gone back to my old monitor. Just the Kogan screen. In this picture you can see how the sky is blue. On the Kogan TV it was just all white like that. It was blown out. You couldn't pull the colours back in. The colour was horrible on the TV. You couldn't use it for editing. I don't know how people could play it with games, but yep, I've sent it back. Thanks Kogan.